pretty cool. You can float this with that cone here. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. I heard your wife was telling me you watched some of my stuff.
Yeah, I watch it every day you post it.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
okay, well, you're shine to shine. What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Philip. I got 2 black brick 12s. The series is Brick House.
Okay.
I got a 7900 Apocalypse on them. And I got a 75 amp hour sodium battery. I got a little PRV 1800 on my mids.
Nice.
Yeah, and I got a stock auto there.
Alright. You install all this? Did you install everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The box is tuned to 32 hertz.
Okay.
Yeah. A guy named Gino Arendelle built the box out of Fayetteville. Yes, sir.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm getting ready to change it out, dude. Not the rookie, so get a new deal.
Yeah. So what are these subs RMS?
3,000 a piece.
Wow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You think you're giving them all the power, or
No, I don't think so.
can have them some more?
Yeah, if I get all in that,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I still run the stock.
Have you tried mounting these regular or always mounted regular?
It's always mounted regular.
Never? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright. Nice.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about the box, like the cubic space, SPO, anything?
Not really. I did a test on at 30 hertz. I did a 147, 148.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still pretty good.
Yep. Yeah, pretty good.
Is the box mounted, or are you able to remove it if you need it for the
I
back?
can move it.
You
I
can?
move it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. This is that 1 ohm, right? The amp?
Half.
Oh, half ohm.
Yeah,
okay.
I got a wire to half on.
Okay.
Yep.
All the juice then. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Pretty cool. You can float this with that cone area, so you did great. Thank you for the demo, man. You're welcome. Appreciate the demo, man.
Let you near Mike Tyson. I get the Mike Spicy rim.
Don't believe me, ask them hoes and smokers. Smoker.